Welcome to 164 Revival. This is the custom Die-cast Renegades and Hoodlums custom Mustang 32 car challenge review. But first and foremost, we're going to take a look at Keith's car. This is a beaut. Paint on there is amazing. The striping is spot on. Those wheels are sweet. Got to give a shout out, obviously, to Keith there at Outlaw Speed Shop putting this event on. I was so excited when I first heard, and I was kind of pissed at myself not thinking of this idea. I was really excited to get something made for this, and you know, whether I made it through, how long I made it through, I thought it was a really, really good idea. It was really fun. It was fun to watch the videos. It was fun to see all the cars, and now you know, being that I did win, I get to see them up close, and now they're part of my collection. So I'm super honored to get all these cars and have them to be displayed, you know, in a collection, in which I'm going to do, and I'll show later on. Yeah, this car, this would have made it through pretty far, if not be a winner in the bracket, to be honest, because this thing is a beaut. So I thought I'd start off with Keith, give him some props on the whole organizing and production of the whole event. I thought it was awesome. It was great. And then secondly, we're gonna slide that on back we got to give a shout out also William Robinson for donating the K7. As you know, he is Mr. K7. And as far as these, you know, these transports, you know, obviously we've seen a lot of these primarily due to Mr. K7 putting these out, donating them, having them customized, and you know, I thought, they're all right. They're pretty cool. You know, it wasn't all that jazzed up about them until you get one, okay? And this one is minty. It is minty, and it's got the you know, it's fully operational. It's got the Formula One in there, and it's in as good as condition as the transport. But I highly advise, if you don't have one for your collection, get one, because they are really neat. You know, I wasn't really big on them to begin with, but once you have one, you just kind of you're glad that you do. It's iconic Matchbox. And I'm not going to do anything, because this is in such great condition. I mean, I know guys that are customizing them, they get in there and there's a tool bench with all kinds of tools that you can detail. You know, you could swap out the wheels and you know, really, you know, as Die-cast Restorations says, you can really pimp these out. But I'm not going to do that with this one. So, and just give a shout out to William Robinson for donating this. Thank you very much. Now that I have one, I love it. It's great. It's going to be a great piece in the collection. And now a review of each car in the order they were numbered within the bracket. Okay, as I promised, I was going to show you how I was going to display these cars. I use an old soda bottle crate. I believe this one is a Pepsi, and I got it all mounted up there, just like I did on the other ones over there. And I got all the cars in there, and I tried to put them in some kind of an order. I'm not sure how this is going to come out as I'm videoing it, but I do want to thank Keith there at Outlaw Speed Shop for putting on the event, and congratulate all of the participants in this, and I want to thank all you guys for getting in this, because I really had a great time, and I'm sure everybody else did too. It was a lot of fun. The videos were a lot of fun. The voting was a lot of fun. And the next challenge there for the truck challenge that he's going to put on, I'm sure is going to be twice as good. Like he said, he learned a lot, so going to tweak it to perfection so that it's even a better challenge, better competition. As you can see, I got the K7 up there, got the little mini dioramas up there. So yeah, again, I want to thank Keith for doing this, and thank everybody else for participating in it. And I'm humbled by the win, and I'm grateful to have all these cars in a collection and proudly display them. So we'll see you on the next episode of 164 Revival.